Brennan, do you want to open your present?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and open it up. Present from Aunt Diana. Oh, cool. Okay, pull it out. Go ahead and pull it out. There you go.
That's mine. Open it. Open
Okay,
it.
can you open it?
Yeah.
Okay, stick your finger in here and pull. What did you get, Brennan?
That's mine.
Yeah. What did you get, big boy?
Oh,
Did you get some shorts?
yeah.
Cool.
Set.
And a shirt? Can you show me the shirt?
Yeah.
Go ahead and open it up. Show me the shirt. Go ahead and show me the shirt.
Elmo.
Oh, cool. It's a crab.
Elmo.
Brennan, can you say thank you?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Aunt Diana.
Yes. Basketball.
Cool. Some cool.
Purple soccer.
You like the wrapping paper?
Black.
Very cool. Yeah, you like the shirt. You want to open the card now?
Yes.
Okay.